Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital city of Uttar Pradesh and it has always been a multicultural city. The city of Nawabs, known for its remnants of its rich cultural past, Lucknow was made famous by the soft-spoken and sweet-tongued Awadh Lucknowi culture that was based on civilized behavior toward fellow human beings. This immensely culturally rich city has transformed to a modern heaven for aeronautics, automotive machine tools, chemicals, furniture and embroidery, real estate in Lucknow and brand. Lucknow's real estate market has of late attracted interest from NRIs and those working around the city due to its proximity to static locations and infrastructure. With the option of affordable, mid-segment and luxury homes, experts are the view that due to its strategic location, Lucknow could fetch one of a sizable return on investment thanks to the city growth. Many big-ticket projects are being built in Lucknow by renowned developers and Sunfriend Group is one among them. Sunfriend Group, a renowned realty company of young entrepreneurs with the vision of excellence in real estate business, emphasize on best quality products to meet customers' dream of owning a classy home. It is a professionally managed company that is inspired by the objective to provide ideal residential and commercial areas with recreational facilities. Sunfriend Estate Lucknow is one of its prestigious landmark projects. About project: Sunfriend Estate, a project approved by Lucknow Development Authority, situated on National Highway 56 that offers global lifestyle. The villas on the project are situated in plush green surroundings, marked by their beautiful facade, complementing the spacious interior. The villas offer finest material and branded fittings along with amenities like badminton court, swimming pool, kids play area, jogging track, yoga lawn, club, gymnasium. The single-gated mini township has world-class infrastructure which includes wide roads, lush green landscape, open-air restaurant, anchor store with 24/7 security and CCTV surveillance. Welcome to the dream home. Come home to Sunfriend Estate, a place that promises great connectivity, a secure investment, timely delivery and quality construction.